G'day guys, Robert from Outback Equipment. Today's video is actually brought to you by you guys. So we're getting a lot of questions asked, guys, in relation to the range we have here in front of us today. Just a little bit about the actual product itself. It is made of a high-grade engineering plastic, which has a fiberglass reinforce around it, which offers a great UV stabilized rating to the actual product itself. Quickly want to point out, guys, although we don't have a full range here in front of us, there is multiple SKUs available in the RAILBLAZER range. I do want to mention that they're not just marine applicated, but if you're in the market for obviously looking for a cup holder or some sort of tray, these have obviously the ability to fit on the back of your caravan or your canopy trays and things like that too. So they're a versatile product, which is fantastic. So where it all began for RAILBLAZER, guys, is this little product in front of us called a StarPort. So building from your StarPort, guys, this will allow you to fit pretty much everything you see in front of us, from your rod holders, cup holders, your caddies, your platforms and things like that. So when looking to obviously start from the actual range or RAILBLAZER, this is a great foundation. In terms of the product, with a lot of your fittings and fixtures, these do come as a single option as well as a pair. So you're going to save a couple of bucks going obviously for your pair. In terms of your fixtures, you do have the option of buying these as a single or a pair. So you're going to save obviously on the back pocket. So whether you're looking at your StarPort or your fixtures like your rail mount there as well too, guys. So the benefit of having something like this, you're not having to screw it into your boat or your application there as well. So a fantastic product. Otherwise, you can go options like as a full kit. So that already comes with your StarPort with the option of your rod holder. Again, in terms of colors, does come in black and white on all the range, which is fantastic. So you can really dial in obviously that real nice look you're looking for. So whether it be just a single application or you're that guy that just wants to fit 10 rod holders to his boat. So again, some of the range, just without the StarPort, you can buy your rod holders as separate as a kit, or what we call the heavy duty model. So with that foundation, that platform is just a little bit more sturdy there. And some of your other rod holders we've got here too is your rod stow. So the guys generally obviously moving and transport generally have these up against the side of their console or their gunnel. These are a great way to transport some of your rods, obviously nice and secure. Again, they do come in obviously white and black as your color, as well as your 2 and 3 rod holder as an option. So for all our kayak fans, some of the accessories I guess we've got here too is something like your sounder bracket. So generally mounted up on your gunnel or somewhere around obviously your kayak. Generally a lot of fixtures that people buy too is like your tie down rings. So these are a great way to obviously stow your tackle boxes and the things like that at the back of the kayak, nice and secure. So some of the other fixtures that are really popular for your kayak too are these actual purpose-made fish finder brackets. So these ones are to suit your wrench hook too, which is great. They do a range of navigation lights, which is pretty cool. They do have these ones in multiple options, whether it be a kit, you've got extension poles, or just buying a single light, of obviously providing it's obviously of that correct height and visible. They do have an awesome little range of these products too. Another product we do have here in front of us are your rod racks. So these are a great way to stow again obviously your rods, your gaffs and nets and things like that you might obviously have out throughout the hull. These are fantastic to have up against the gunnel too, so they're out of the way, you're not obviously tripping them on the floor. A great all-round product. For our inflatable boat guys out there too, they've also thought of use, if you're wanting obviously to have cleats, you're not going to ideally screw it into the actual hull itself, but they have a 3M adhesive stick on the back there, so obviously it's going to be a great foundation to add obviously these sort of accessories too. So some of our best other selling products guys, we do have our trolling motor bracket there too, so a great way, and this is for the purpose of the neck of your electric motor, so stopping from bouncing. These come in a different range of sizes, so whether it be this one with the kit and the pole, or you can be just buying again your little StarPort and your little fixtures there too as well. So again, they come with multiple different sizes and color option there as well. So they've got a little cool camera mount there, so for your GoPros and other brands of cameras, do have those attachments there as well. Moving on with your drink holders, again coming in black and white. These are available just as a cup, so you would then have to have your StarPort or as a kit as well, so great there. So another multi-purpose use product guys, again not just for marine application, but whether it be just for your caravan or four-wheel drive. StarPort is a great all-round product for all your little knickknacks, again used as a cup holder, also available in black and white. So some of our best-selling kayak and hull trolleys I have in front of it here are two of our best popular models. So these are available too on our website. Great obviously product for transporting your kayak or on the back of your dinghy, whether it be inflatable or little fiberglass little tender. Fantastic little product there as well. So last but not least, guys, is another multi-purpose product we do have here is our mobile caddy. So great product whether it be holding your mobile phone, portable GPS or things like that. They do have a tablet option there as well too, guys. So catering for all you guys out there. So if you haven't checked out our YouTube channel, guys, make sure you go ahead and do that right now. We're going to be doing a lot of more videos on the actual RAILBLAZER product with a lot of install videos down the track. So that's a sign off for me, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.